let's get started. So how is Gen AI impacting your world?
Retail and consumer products industry has shifted from one that's historically been supply-driven to one that's now far more demand-driven. And as consumer preferences continue to evolve and fragment, the cost of serving those demands increases. In many ways, generative AI has arrived at the perfect time. It offers the promise of productivity gains to drive down cost to serve, and enables personalization at scale, which has been the holy grail for CPGs and retailers for many years.
Can you share a success story or a use case?
I am most excited by the opportunity to transform the end-to-end idea-to-market process. So consumer product companies and retail companies can marry external data, such as consumer insights and category insights, with internal data, such as financials and manufacturing capabilities, to generate higher quality ideas faster and bring those ideas to market with far greater efficiency. It's a real game changer for the industry.
So what are the biggest challenges you see?
So I would set aside data, because I think we're all familiar with data challenges for more traditional AI and data and analytics. And I'd focus on two challenges: talent readiness and governance. From a talent readiness perspective, generative AI takes a while to become comfortable with. And part of the reason for that is because it is probabilistic and not deterministic. So what that means is you could enter a prompt multiple times and see different results. And that takes time to become comfortable with. So the organizations that are seeing the most success are those that are investing in training to drive adoption and ultimately to see benefits. Another challenge is in the area of governance. So many retail and consumer product companies understand that there are thousands of things that they could do with generative AI. But what's most important is to focus on what you should do. And that implies having a value-driven approach. Organizations need to set up clear processes for identifying and prioritizing generative AI opportunities, understanding the value, the feasibility, and the risk associated with each.
Thank you so much for your insights.